Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So in the last tutorial we tried how to extract the barcodes or QR codes with the help of Python. So now we'll try to explore how we can extract the same kind of data from the Power Automate side. So here basically I use this barcode encodian. So when you let me click on that edit option and I will add this thing. So when you check here, so we can see this encoded barcode, and here we can click on that more, see more, and here you can see this QR code from image, or might be QR code from the documents, or QR code read from the document and barcode read from the document. So you can go with read from image or by the document. So as of now, I used here both documents itself. So I will use this barcode read from the document and QR code read from the document. So I will explain you what I did taken from here. Let's go back to the drive files. So in this drive, I have the barcode one QR. So this data I store in the format of Word document. Okay, so if and you can do for the image as well. So here two things are available. So as of now, I just tried with the read data from the document side. So I used another activity which we call get find content file content. So I just navigate and I taken the file from this barcode one dot docs, so which I taken from this particular site, and the same thing I passed here file content, and downside I will keep the same as it is. I not change anything from this point, and the same thing I used for file content. Here I use the QR code, and downside I use the QR code document right from the data. So here I used two things. I will show you. This 000 number one, and another file which is related to hello world. Okay, these two things which I used, and I'm going to run the automation now. So just click on the test, and I'm selecting the manually. So for the testing purpose, now let it run. Click on the run flow, and now it will take a couple of seconds to complete this one. So let it complete, and my things has been completed. So QR code, it will take some time, so I don't know what the issue on that, but output it getting the perfect only. So now I will go this compose, and you can see this my output value is which is related to the another QR, sorry, barcode one, and similar way we can see this QR code which the value is hello world. So this is a way how we can extract this, and now we'll try to explore how we can get it from image as well. So I will just take this copy content, I mean copy that activity, and here I will take that image. So first let me upload the image from there. So I will go here, and I will upload the image directly. So I upload the image. So let me check where it uploaded properly. So you can see this one, a barcode.png. Okay, the image has been updated. Now I will take the same thing, and I will try to from the point of image side. So let's go back to the flow, and here I will need to take barcode.image. You can see this one, barcode.png. After this, use this barcode read image. So barcode read from image. Just drag and drop or double click, it will come. Okay, here my file content, I will pass this get file content to and I can see this image format. So actually I have the image format which is the format of PNG. So you select that PNG, and I will use compose activity, and here I will barcode from image. I will just put the value. The same thing when I go here barcode document also, it will says either your file type is document or PDF. So when come to the image, our file will be the PNG, or any kind of files will be coming. TIFF, PNG, GIF, or GIF, or BMP. These formats will might come. So now I will click on the test run flow. So if you got any other kind of that things, or else you can get that what kind of document is reset before that. So when you use this content of that particular file, so it will get the file name as well. So just check that what is the kind of extension. Based on that extension, you can go for the next step. Either it might be PNG or TFF or GIF or other, or might be the other things. So you can check and do that. Then only we can avoid the errors from that point. Now let it complete. So now it's taking some time to run. Let it complete. Yeah, now it's completed. So I can see this barcode from image and I can see this data, which is my value is 469 some data it's coming. So when I go here, I can see this some input file. Okay, here you need to get that metadata, and in that metadata we have this what kind of file will be available, what kind of format. So these data will be available. Let me check output as well. It's giving anything here. Yeah, you can see this one, the content has img things are there. So based on this content type, you can put the filters, those things, and we can go ahead. So once we got extracted this data now, so you can connect it with excel or might be the data queue, I mean sql or whatever it may be. So you can do that one. So it won't after the steps, so what do you want, you can go and do it. So I hope you understand how we can get the data from the barcodes or QR codes with the help of Power Automate Cloud. So still, if you have any questions or any doubts or need any clarification on the any other topics, try to post your comments on the comment section. I will try to help on it. And finally, thanks for watching. And before going that, again, I'm saying this activity which I use from the encoding. So go to encoding and we can get this API key. So you can generate this API key. So it will come. So if you want, you can use this generate API key as of now. So no problem for me. So I can generate one more thing, and it might be limited 300 or 400, max 500 I remember. So I don't know if someone is, they can utilize this this code, and I can generate some other things. When I want, I can generate others. Yeah, and finally, thanks for watching.